Hello everybody, it's Ethan here, the creator of MedFile, and I'm here today to show you how the tool works and how to get you set up. So let's jump right into it. So what you want to do to use the tool is go to medfile.ai in your browser. Medfile.ai, it will bring you to our website here. So you can scroll through it, get a feel of how it works, how it looks, and then when you're ready to sign up for an account, press the sign up button, or you can press the automate your filing button here. It will take you to the create account page, and what you want to do is enter the details that you want MedFile to sign up for your MedFile account. So enter your full name, your doctor's name, who you work for. So I'll just put a random person for now, your email, password, and down here, what you are going to put is your EMR system details. So MedFile can integrate into your EMR. So in the EMR system drop-down menu, the only option we have right now is input health, but we will add more EMR system integrations later on. And in this box, you are going to put your URL organization name. If you have no idea what that is, press this button. It will take you to the docs where it shows you exactly what to put. So the URL organization name is the name of your organization as it appears in the URL of your EMR system. So what does that even mean? So once we are logged into our EMR system here, and I'm going to blur this out so you guys can see it. But once we are logged into our EMR, we're going to see our organization name that we need to put into MedFile at the top right here. So we're in our link in our EMR system, and we have to put this organization name right here. So we copy it, paste it into our input box in MedFile, and what this is going to do is create the link that MedFile needs to log into your EMR system. So all you need to put is just the organization name, and MedFile will create the link that it needs. So you don't have to worry about that. And in these input boxes, what you need to put is the credentials that you use to log in to your EMR system. So what you use to log into Input Health. So I'll just put a random email at email.com and password. And then press the create account button, and what that is going to do is send you a verification email to the email that you signed up with for MedFile. And once you press that link, you're going to be sent to the login page where you can log in. So I'm just going to log into the account I already have here. And here. And once you are logged in, it'll bring you to the home page. And once we're at the home page, we're going to go to our EMR system and see any faxes we want to file in our inbox. So let's say we want to do the top one here. So what we're going to do is click on it, download the PDF with the download button. So download it. And what we're going to do is upload the file that we just downloaded from Input Health into MedFile. So we get it from our downloads, and then select it. And then what this is going to do is process it, extract all the information that that MedFile will need to input into Input Health. So let's just wait, give it a sec, and there we go. So as you can see, all our information was extracted from the fax that we just uploaded to MedFile, and it's all, once we click on it, then all of it's going to show. But before we click on it, on the patient, what I'm going to discuss with you is the timer here. So you're probably wondering, what is this timer counting down for? So if you go to your settings in MedFile, go to privacy, you will see at the bottom of the privacy section the termination timer setting. So you can either choose 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or 1 hour. And what this the termination timer does is it sets a time for how long you want the patient records to remain in your system before automatic deletion. So after an hour, which I set myself, so after an hour, this patient and all the files, all the information, and all the PDFs that I uploaded to MedFile, it will all be deleted. So none of it stores after at max an hour, which I set for myself. So this is just for security reasons, to make sure that it never stays in the system and that all of your information is confidential to other people. Okay, so after we're done, or after discussing the termination timer, what we're going to do is click on the patient that we just uploaded, which is myself, by the way. Okay, so once we click on the patient, this is the screen that you'll see. So it shows all the patient information in a clean, organized format, and all the files in a clean, organized format as well. So first, let's discuss the editing features. So if you click on the top right of the patient information box, you'll see that you can edit the patient information. So just say if the AI did not extract the patient information correctly, you can go in and edit it yourself. So there you go, press save. And another feature is adding a file here. So say you want to add another one of these files here. You can press the add file button, either manually or automatically add a file. So just say you want to have the file name be referral. The date you uploaded was today, so just press the today button. The description is just referral description, and the tab is referral. And select the PDF that you want to attach to the file that you're uploading, and press save. Give it a sec, and there you go. So if we go to our referral tab, we're going to see that's all added there, and we can view the PDF if we would like, but let's just delete that for now. You can also automatically file it. So say you do not want to manually select a tab for the PDF that you're uploading, you can automatically let MedFile split the document for you. So, or you can choose a tab if you want. So let AI select the document, choose a file. We're not going to do that right now, but what it basically does is just, it does the very first thing that we did. So it splits the whole fax into separate tabs, and it gives it a file name and description for you, so you don't have to do it yourself. And it's all under this patient right here, so it won't extract the patient information because it's all ready under this patient. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to discuss is the view PDF function here. So if you want to see if the AI split the document correctly, you can go to whatever tab you want, press the view PDF button here, and it will give you the results of the split document from the AI. So as we can see, the AI did split this document correctly, as it is a referral. So these two pages are referral. We can go to our diagnostic imaging section here, view the PDF, and as we can see that this is indeed the diagnostic imaging report. If you would like to change the file name or description, all you have to do is just press edit, change it, or change the tab that you want, and change the PDF if you would like to. Okay, so now that we know that all the patient information is correct, all the PDFs are split correctly, what we can do is back out and send all the information to the EMR system. But before we do that, there's one more feature I want to discuss with you, is the PDF editor here. So, as we can see from the diagnostic imaging PDF that the AI split for us, we can see that pages 3 up here, page 3, and page 4 were split and categorized as diagnostic imaging. But say that we didn't want this page to be a part of the diagnostic imaging report. What we can do is go to the PDF editor, click edit on the diagnostic imaging section here, and take out page 4. Boom, save. And when we go back to our diagnostic imaging section and our file, we can view the PDF, and as you can see, only page 3 will show. So if there's a mistake in the AI, it classified a page wrong, what you can do is go to the PDF editor and just switch the page numbers around to how you would like it. But we're actually going to add that back. So page 4. Like so. Okay. And now that all of our information is correct, file name, description, and patient information, and categories, what we're going to do is send it to the EMR. So let's press send. And once it's done, it should take around, since we only had 2 categories, it should take around 2.5 minutes or 2 minutes. But if you have more categories, obviously it's going to take longer. So I'll see you in 2 minutes. So as we can now see, it says sent on our patient here. And I just checked our browser automation software that we use. And as you can see here, it took approximately 1 minute 54 seconds for the referral to file and 1 minute and 45 seconds for the diagnostic imaging to file as well. So it actually took under 2 minutes. So we can go check in our EMR system that it was correctly filed. So the patient here, myself, Ethan Cahigas, will go into our EMR system, go to our patients, go to my name here, and let's see the patient files. And as we can see, if we go to diagnostic imaging, we can see our file appearing here correctly. So we can see that diagnostic imaging tab is appropriately matched with our file name, date, and description, and our doctor that we work for here is correctly inputted. And if we click on it, we can see that the file is correctly split and organized. And if we go to our referral tab, we can see that the referral from MedFile was properly filed as well. So the file name, the date uploaded, the description, and the doctor or owner was correctly inputted. And if we click on it, we can also see that our referral was correctly categorized and organized into the correct pages in our EMR system in under 2 minutes.